Are you ready for health, wealth, love, massive financial prosperity and abundance to flood into your life in 2026? We're going to make this happen right now. In this video, we're literally going to speak massive wealth and prosperity into your reality in the fastest time possible by creating a powerful feeling state. The main truth about manifestation: your feeling states create your reality. Most people use affirmations incorrectly and it just doesn't work. But when you calm your nervous system and speak with calm certainty and knowing that abundance is your birthright, that's when things really start showing up for you. And we're going to make it happen in the next few moments. Most people don't realize that manifestation comes from your nervous system. Your nervous system sends out the vibrations into your body. These vibrations echo out into the universe and manifest whatever it is that you're predominantly feeling. By utilizing this perfect, pristine, present moment here with me, you're literally going to speak abundance into your future, and you're going to feel so good when you do this. You're literally going to feel your vibrational state shoot through the roof by the time this video is done. And as soon as you speak these words, the quantum field will respond instantly and start opening up doors for you. Opportunities and financial abundance are going to become your natural state. Before we get started, I just want to say the rain and wind is howling down, battering the studio. So if you hear any loud screeching noises or the rain, just remember, we're cozy, we're safe, and we're divinely protected. If you want to amplify the power of this intention even more, comment below, "I am pure abundance consciousness," to really dial this in. We are entering into the age of Aquarius. And right now in 2026, you might be feeling just a little bit braver than you ever have. You might be feeling more courageous than you ever did before. You might have more calm certainty and that deep inner feeling of knowing that there's more for you. Well, I promise you, there is so much more for you, and you're going to get it this year. We're going to get this together. And I am so excited to do this with you. The age of Aquarius represents so many things. It represents a time where you get paid for your energy. It represents an era where authenticity translates to abundance. It represents a time when technology and consciousness merge together so that it's easier than ever before to make money and abundance pour into your life just by being yourself. There's no one to please. There's nothing left to prove. Just relax into this perfect present moment here with me right now. My name is Gareth, and I'm a subconscious reprogramming expert and manifestation guide, and I've helped hundreds of people to manifest massive abundance into their lives. If you click the link in the description, you can see hundreds of testimonials from wonderful people who've transformed their life in the fastest and most fun way possible with my help. And you can book a call if it feels aligned. If you really want to understand why your manifestations might not be showing up, it's because of your subconscious programming. From my heart space, affirmations, 369, turmeric on your third eye, throwing moon water over your shoulder, all of these things are like putting concealer over a spot. It's like putting a plaster over a massive war wound. It temporarily feels okay, but it doesn't heal the real root cause of the problem. It's all about what's running your subconscious. Until you understand what's running your subconscious programming, it's impossible to manifest the things you desire. Patterns like procrastination, people-pleasing, hyperachiever, and self-sabotage. I use a very powerful subconscious fitness assessment that highlights these patterns. It's absolutely free, and it could really help you understand why your manifestations might not be showing up in the way that you hoped. If you would like to take the free assessment, you can see the details below in the description. Email me with the word abundance and I will send you the assessment. If you do complete the assessment, I will also send you a brief written explanation of exactly what's been going on with your subconscious patterns, just so that I can help you to raise your awareness. Because awareness is the first step to change. We're about to get started with the activation now, and I'm so excited to do this with you. So take one slow, big, deep breath of abundance in through your nose with me. And on the exhale, I just want you to feel this one word: relief. Feel how that one word relief, actually my favorite word in the entire English language, feel that one word relief and feel how your entire nervous system calms down. Take a big, slow, deep breath of abundance in through your nose and hold for 3 seconds. Feel that word relief and let go. You're creating right now. And we're about to create something so powerful. When you speak these words, speak them just how I do, softly, with serene confidence, straight from your heart space. Like you know your manifestation is coming. Just like when you ask a friend to get you a glass of water, there's no resistance. You know this is working. So go ahead and let your eyes just close on down. I am absolute abundance. I am pure abundance consciousness. I am wealth in human form. I am a perfect match for massive abundance. Absolute abundance is activated inside my DNA. I am divinely supported in everything I do. I am worthy of overflow, overflow, overflow. My heart is open to receiving massive financial blessings. Money comes to me under grace in perfect ways. I am open to extraordinary wealth and prosperity. I do not fear spending. I bless the circulation. I am calm around money and it reflects in my bank account. I am ready for large sums of money to pour into my life. The universe trusts me with abundance. My feeling states create my reality, and I am creating abundance right now. My energy is magnetic to money. Thank you for showing me that all of my financial issues have now been solved. All of my financial issues have now been resolved to my advantage. I get paid just by being myself. I just landed in a spaceship and nothing from the past can harm me. I've always had enough. I've got enough now, and I will always have more than enough. I am magnetically prosperous. I am in demand energetically. I am chosen for infinite supply. I am financially free in consciousness. I am compensated just for my presence. I am rewarded just for being myself. I am rewarded just for my authenticity. I am rewarded for my divine energy. I am more than enough. I am grounded in safety. Money responds to my state of being. Money moves towards me effortlessly. Money arrives from known and unknown sources every single day. Money recognizes my worth instantly. Absolute abundance and prosperity are my birthright. Money is an extension of my pristine consciousness. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the money that I have ever received. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all of the money that I am receiving right now. Thank you, thank you, thank you that my life starts now. From this moment forward, I radiate gratitude, wealth, and prosperity. It is done. It is done. It is done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. And open your eyes and come back. Welcome back. You did it. I always knew you would. Take one big, slow, deep breath of abundance in through your nose and hold it for 3 seconds. And when you exhale, feel that word relief and just let go into the seat. Stay calm. Stay in the vibration of certainty. Become magnetic for all the abundance that you just created to pour into your life. You don't need to overthink. You just need to be empty. You can't fill a cup that's already full. Just relax in knowing and certainty. We were meant to expand. And if you just get out of your own way and learn to relax and have faith, everything you desire will absolutely appear in your reality. It even says in the Bible, it only takes a mustard seed of faith to move a mountain. And we just moved mountains with our feeling states. And if you did stay all the way to the end, leave a comment below. I am a perfect match for abundance, just so I know who you are. And remember, if you want to go 10 times faster with your manifestations, you can book a call below on the link in the description, or you can get a subconscious fitness assessment free of charge. If you're new here, hit like, hit subscribe, and hit the bell notification to make sure you actually get notified when I upload new content. And you can do that if you're already a subscriber, just to make sure you don't miss out. Thank you for spending your wonderful time with me today. I look forward to manifesting so much abundance with you in 2026. Have a wonderful day.